Fortify your axle housing with Rough Country's heavy-duty Truss and C-Gusset kit for Jeep JKs. This durable, solid steel protective armor gives your axle incredible strength and rigidity to withstand the weight loads associated with larger tires and aftermarket accessories. This kit features ultra-durable steel panels that are laser cut for an exact fit to your vehicle. Once installed, this unique armor system ensures the utmost strength to protect your axle tubes from bending even under pure off-road torture. The low-profile design is engineered to allow the maximum suspension up travel in a strong, sleek build. This kit also includes upper and lower C-Gusset protection with reinforced plates that offer incredible rigidity to the inner C-knuckles of your JK's front axle. Unlike other kits, this kit features internal splines for unmatched durability and wraparound sides for superior protection no matter what the trail dishes out.